Hey everyone, quickity quick update on the Aerogarden before I go to bed. It is day 35. The lettuce, as you can see, is huge. I can probably start trimming that soon and just eating it on sandwiches or salads. Here we have the parsley. There's also some dill growing out of there. I rubbed it. Totally smells like pickles, so there you go. Everything's getting super huge. I did contact Aerogarden. They sent me out some new pods to replace the ones that didn't germinate. Seeing as I still had some growing medium in there, I went ahead and I put a marigold seed in there. Last spring I was gifted these marigolds and they grew so big and so pretty that when fall came I harvested the seeds from them. So I just stuck one in there to see if they're viable. I'm really hoping so because I want to grow some this year from the seeds. Other than that, everything's coming along really nicely. Let me see if I can come around the back here. Yep, so far so good. I'm going to trim it back a little maybe this week. Have some nice lettuce in my salad or on my sandwich. And I will see you tomorrow for Misfits Market. Have a great night.